Hmm. Okay. Mm. Right. So we calculated V1. We got 1.0168, angle 2.9. Oh, that's a klein verskil hier. I made it 2.3. Oh, okay. It doesn't really matter, so just make sure. Yeah, it's 2.288. Yeah, it's 2.3. Right, so then we find that IA is 0.439 at an angle of 68.4 per unit. and IB dash is 1.193 angle minus 57. So if we calculate SA and SB, we find 0.3439 at an angle. Remember, we're working with a conjugate, so that becomes minus 68, and that one becomes plus 57. So those are our two values for SA and SB. Right, now we can calculate the change in P and Q. Let's do this. So the percentage change in P for transformer A, remember now it was before 0.5 times 0.8, so that's 0.4, minus 0.162 divided by 0.4.
Sir,
Yes?
can you please take the page down? We don't see.
Oh no, I can't help you with all of this, man. Look. Can you see it now? Okay, so that becomes 0.4 59.5%. And the percentage change in Q was 0.3 plus 0.408 by 0.3. Phew, 236% change. Looks cool. All right, let's look at what happens to transformer B. That was 0.4 minus 0.638. Divided by 0.4. And that becomes minus 59.5, and percentage change in Q, that will be 0.3 minus 1.008. Again, 236. So there you can see we have a bigger change in Q. P is more or less the same. Here we had a bigger change in P, Q is more or less the same. So therefore you can see, as I've said here, for a change in phase shift, P changes. And for a tap, Q changes. Now, these are the two things that you can get in the test. So if you follow this recipe that I gave you, Bob's your uncle. You should be able to get your good marks. All right, any questions? Or now forever hold your peace.
Master Luru,
Hmm.
Can I see the after V1, that V1?
Yeah.
What's the next step? I didn't get those ones, so let me see.
All right. First of all, then
Down for Q, for P change and Q change.
all right. First of all, you have to calculate the currents, IA and IB dash.
Sir, I
Yeah.
understand that. I want the picture, like I want to screenshot the one that you started with.
That one.
Yes. So which means when you want a percentage change for P and Q, 0.4 and 0.3 are constant.
No, remember your load, I load, was 1 angle minus 36,87. If you now take that to rectangular form, you will get 0.8 plus J 0.3 minus. And half of that, each one of them is now supplying half of that. Where is it now? So now this one, if there's no phase shift or tap change, that one will share half of the load. And that one will share half of the load. Okay.
Okay.
Right, these are the two things that I can ask you in the exam. Either phase shift or a tap change. What I want you guys to go and do is mathematically only, because it doesn't work like that in practice. Let's say we've got a 4 degrees phase shift and a 2% tap change. What is going to happen? Remember, it will be in one problem. You can't do two separate ones. You have to join these two in one formula. So a little tip here. If you look at this one, there it goes. It says it's 1 at an angle. Now that would become 1 at an angle of minus, what did I say, 4? Divide by 1,02. That's that factor. Is now becoming that. I hope that will keep you from mischief and drinking and all those horrible things.
Sir, may you please share those slides on our WhatsApp group there?
Okay. I don't know.
Maybe can you just number them?
No, what's going to happen is I'm going to, when I make this YouTube videos, I will give you the link and then you have the two videos.
Okay.
Will that be fine?
I don't think so. Maybe just send them as well as a PDF form. A PDF format.
Ish. You really,
I do.
you really want to be spoon fed, huh? Not even a spoon, you want a shovel. Okay, I'll make photocopies of it and I'll send it to you then. On the group.
All right, thanks, sir.
Right, and then next week, we are going to do the same things for an alternator. What happens if we change delta? And what happens if we change the excitation? And you will notice the same thing that happens here is going to happen with the alternator. If we change delta, we have a change in P. If we change the excitation, we're going to have a change in Q. Okay. And then I'll send you the questions as well. I've compiled all the old exam papers. I've taken them and took all the papers, all the questions that are similar, and put them together. So I'll send that to you as well. And then you can do
Okay,
the
sir.
exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
May your question at least be like, maybe like in the book, you know, we have the final answer, not all the steps, but the final answer, so that we know maybe we are playing on the right track or something.
No, I don't have all that answers. You'll have to play on the track blindfolded.
We just need that one final one only.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do.
Thank
You
you.
guys are making my life miserable.
Our
keeping you
apologies
busy.
for that.
You what?
Our apologies for that.
Yeah, don't apologize. Be careful. Okay, guys. Then I'll see you next time for the next exciting episode.
All right, thank you, sir. See you next time.
Okay.
Okay, before we close this, so the electrical protection
Yeah.
is a protection technology.
Yeah, that's protection theory. But
Yeah.
that's only for the BTEC guys.
Yes, yes. So what is the class for that?
Said you want to keep me every night here, huh?
No, tomorrow we're having maths.
All right, then Wednesday.
All right. We will send you the link on some group. There's a group which they created, actually.
Okay. Good stuff.
All right.
Okay. Have fun.
Mr. Lulu, why is the advanced diploma not having protection theory?
Yeah, the guys that set this thing up, they forgot about that. So they made a bugger up and now we can't change it.
Okay, but they don't delay us. Like we're going to be done with advanced.
No, what's done is done. So you're going to have maths and management and protection, power systems.
Okay, so.
All right.
Thank you. Sure.
Ciao. Okay, goodbye. Stop recording.